Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to tell you a story written by G6 Nelson, and it's called A Visit to a Special Friend. It was a perfectly normal day, and I was polishing my fingernails purple and texting my classmate Ellison. My daddy called me downstairs. I was pretty confused since my parents seldom bothered me. But it turned out that we had to visit one of my relatives' home. And it really turned me into a very angry girl when Daddy forced me into the car. But being too tired to fight, I soon backed off and fell asleep. Emily, my daddy said softly. The car had stopped and I knew that we had arrived. A man ran towards us. His face was not shaven and he needed a bath. I sniffed the air, but stopped immediately. Something must have died here, I thought. So I took out my Chanel No. 5 and sprayed all around the place. I think we should leave the chicken coop here, said the man. I nodded in agreement silently, thinking of what was awaiting for me. We took a trip around the farm and I was tired after all that nature walk, seeing sheep, cows, and different kinds of barred animals. As I started to doze off again, I heard a girl's voice. My eyes popped open when I saw a girl who wore plain-on trousers. Her name was Mary and I did not take a liking to her. She suggested that we could play some games. I advised her to put some lip gloss on, but she did not know what it was. She wanted us to play something like building sandcastles, but I quickly refused since it would make my hands dirty. We were arguing about what to do, and that is when I finally understood that I have to get used to the environment of the rural areas. And some of the games were pretty funny. Unfortunately, time passed faster than I had expected. I was forced back to the car once again, but this time I wasn't screaming anymore. I found out that they had a phone, so I got their number and decided to text Mary one day when she knows how to do it. I liked my other friends, Jenny and Allison. Mary really taught me the experience of living on a farm with almost no technology. She really is special. Thank you.